blue color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, red color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color, green color, green color, black color, black color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball. Kids, now I draw C. C is for cat. Kids, now I draw D. D is for dog. And use yellow color. E is for egg. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. Kids, now I draw G. G is for guard. And use red color. Red color. H. H is for hand. It's again use red color and draw I. I is for ice cream. It's neither J. J is for joker. And use yellow ochre color. It's neither K. K is for kite. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw L. L is for lion. Kids, now I draw M. M is for moon. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. Kids, now I draw O. O is for orange. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw P. P is for parrot. Kids, now I draw Q. Q is for queen. Kids, now I draw R. R is for red. Red. And use blue color. Blue color. S. S is for shape. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T is for tiger. Kids, now I draw U. U is for umbrella. And use yellow color. Kids, I can use yellow color and draw V. V is for van. Kids, now I draw W. And again use yellow color. Kids, now I draw X. X is for X-ray. And use blue color. Blue color. Y. Y is for joker. It's again use blue color and draw Z. Z is for zebra. It's now draw numbers. First we draw 1 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 2. Kids night 3. THRW 3. Kids night 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. 5 6 Kids night 7. The numbers of 7 and use black color. 8 9 Kids again use black color and draw 10. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. It's first we draw A. A is for aeroplane. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. Kids now draw C. C is for cat. Kids again use blue color and draw D. D is for dog. Kids now draw E. E is for egg and use red color. F. F is for fish. Kids again use red color and draw G. G is for God. It's neither H. H is for hand and use yellow color. I. I is for ice cream. It's again use yellow color and draw J. J is for joker. It's neither K. K is for king. It's neither L. L is for lion and use green color. M. M is for mango. Kids again use green color and draw N. N is for nest. It's neither O. O is for orange and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw P. P is for parrot. It's neither Q. Q is for queen. It's neither R. R is for rose and use black color. It's neither S. S is for sun and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw T. T is for tiger. Kids write U. U is for umbrella. Kids write V. V is for van. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw W. And W is for wolf. Kids write X. X is for X-ray. Kids write Y. Y is for yak. And use red color. Z. Z is for zebra. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A is for aeroplane. And use red color. Red color. Kids now B. B is for ball. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids write C. C is for cat. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids write D. D is for dog. And use black color. Black color. Kids write E. E is for egg. And use yellow ochre color. Kids write numbers. And first we draw 1. And use blue color. Blue color. O N E 1. Kids write 2. The numbers of 2. And use blue color. T W T W or 2. Kids write 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow color. Yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids write 4. The numbers of 4. And use black color. Kids write 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow ochre color. Kids write shapes. And first draw square. The shape of square. And use red color. Red color. Kids write a circle. The shape of circle. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids write a triangle. The shape of triangle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. It's night heart. The shape of heart. And use black color. Black color. It's neither Easter. The shape of Easter. And use yellow ochre color. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for God, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van, V for vanilla. W for wolf, W for owl. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Private car, school bus, fish, duck. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.